Okay, so good afternoon. Uh, I'll be doing question number 2 on the revision worksheet number 3. That re- that's about the variables. Now we are supposed to write the final values of the variables at the back of the page over here. And how we do this is go line by line. In the first line, it says a equals to 10. So a is a variable, it gets the value of 10. So a is 10. You can do the working here. Let me put it in red. A is 10 on line number 1. In the next line, it says b equals to a plus 10. Now, the last value of a was 10, is 10, a is still 10, and we have to add another 10 and assign that value to variable b. So in line number 2, b b becomes 20. B is 20. How is it 20? Because a is 10 in line number 1. A gets the latest value of a is 10. And then that 10, add another 10 to that. 10 plus 10 is 20. And we assign that to variable b. Now in the third line, variable c gets the same value as variable b. C is equal to b. So now right now b is 20. So c is also 20 now. In line number 3, c also becomes 20. Let me just put this in red. So far, A is 10, B is 20, and C is also 20. These are the latest values of the three variables. Now, in line number 4, we again assign a new value to B, to variable B, which says B is equal to whatever the last value of B was, add a 2 to that. So, B is equal to B plus 2. The last value of B was 20. We add a 2 to 20, that becomes 22, and we assign it to variable b. So b is now 22. And by the way, I have another tutorial on variables, which I'll link up here, over here, and on the YouTube cards. You can watch that also. That does the exercise that is in the book. On the ICT book, there's an exercise about variables, similar exercise. I've done that also on that in that video. And now, so over here, b is equal to b plus 2. B was 20, add a 2 to that, so it becomes 22. So the last value of b is 22. Now, in the last line, we have a fourth variable called d. D is equal to b plus c. So b is 22, no longer 20. It's 22. We have to take the latest value of every variable. So 22 plus 20, that becomes 42. So D is 42. Now, A did not change after this line, so A remains 10. A remains 10. A is 10. B becomes 22. That was the final value of B. We did not change it after this. We did change it after this line. It was 20 before. Then we changed it to 22. So it becomes 22. C remains 20. We did not change it after assigning it the same value as B, 20. So it remains 20. And D, that's on the last line. So that's the latest value. It becomes 42. Okay, so that's how we are going to attempt such questions of variables. We go line by line and take the latest value of every variable. And we have to see on the left side of the equal to sign which variable is being assigned a new value. And the older value of that variable we will no longer count. So when b was 20, so this b is no longer 20, it's 22 over here now. So that's the final value. It's no longer 20. Okay. I hope this helps.